Hello all and welcome to my channel where I'm just this random guy on YouTube with a finance and accounting degree that wants to teach you about building wealth and investing. So in today's video, I want to start with something that a lot of people get confused with. It's something that's quite basic, but I want to explain it. That way you're investing, you know exactly what you're investing in. And what I'm going to discuss today is called the small market cap. Okay, anytime at work you invest into a 401k or you open up your own brokerage account, you're gonna always see small cap, mid cap, and large cap. You're not gonna quite understand what these are. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you what a small cap is, and I'm gonna do videos in the future explaining what a mid cap and a large cap. So a small cap is any company, okay, that is between 300 million and $2 billion. All right, in capitalization in the market. Now, the way to explain this and to understand it is like this. Any outstanding share a company has, okay? So say the share is out trading currently right now, that's being held by investors, and that's actually out there being traded. You take those amount of outstanding shares, multiply by the current price, and that would give you the market cap, okay? Believe it or not, 300 million to 2 billion is considered small. That just shows you how much money the mid and large cap is, how much money these companies are worth. But in this case, small cap companies are companies that initially just started, but they started growing. And they started growing and now they're out of the initial stage, okay? The Amazons in the world, the Facebook in the world, they all started out as small cap. Now, the best thing about small cap that I personally love is you can make so much money on these companies, okay? But you gotta do your research and understand what these companies are going and what's their projection and where they stand in the market. Okay, you cannot just pick any small cap company and expect them to blow up. The reason why is because a lot of these companies are still technically risky. All right, they just came from the growing stage and now they're booming. They're starting to grow. They're trying to make it enticing for people like you and I to invest in, so they're giving great benefits and they're trying so hard to boost the stock price. But there is some risk because they still have not gone over the hump. But these funds are the funds that usually have a very high rate of return. If you look at large cap, mid cap, and small caps usually have the largest because there's a lot of companies in there that has the potential for so much growth. And with that, of course, comes a higher return. But it's like a double-edged sword, guys. When you see something that has a very high return, there's a possibility it could swing the other way around. Just think of Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be up one day 30, 50, 70, 80%, and you could lose 37, 80% the next day. That's the way investing works. Now, I'm not a huge fan of when it comes to just buying individual stocks. I'm a firm believer that you should purchase anything through like a managed fund that would save you so much money in expenses, number one, but also you're diversifying yourself and you're not allowing yourself to put all your eggs into one basket, okay? Think of it this way, like Facebook, Amazon, all those companies, yes, they blew up. But if you have multiple funds like that or in your basket, right, you can have multiple companies that don't do that well, but you can have one, like an Amazon or Facebook that blows up. All of a sudden, your whole portfolio is moving right along with it, okay? Your fund that you purchase is just gonna be doing awesome and is being carried by that one fund. A lot of people are speculating as well by saying the S&P 500 that's currently out right now, that NVIDIA is pretty much carrying the S&P 500. So you can have some companies within a small cap fund that could be giving you so much money. So anytime you hear about investing, okay, you gotta understand which type of companies you're gonna invest in. So investing in small cap, yes, is a small cap, but eventually the goal is to get it to a large cap. And if you're taking it now while it's a small cap company and it becomes a large cap, you're gonna have so many great gains. So don't be afraid to add this into any portfolios you have, especially when it comes to investing. But please, as I stated, be very wise in your investments and make sure you understand which company you're investing in. So my next video I'm gonna do is gonna be on mid cap, so stay tuned. And at the same time, guys, please hit the like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.